21 Days to Basic Preparedness. Simple things you can do to prepare for any emergency. Written by David Nash. Narrated by Graham Atkin. There are quite a few schools of thought when it comes to personal disaster preparedness. The largest seems to be concerned with stuff. I call this the government model. In this model, practitioners buy gear to solve problems. They seem to feel that money equals solutions. While you do need to have some level of resources, I feel this is a mistake, because stuff can get stolen, damaged, or lost. If you rely solely on gear, then no matter how redundant you think you are, you still have a single point of failure. I believe in a balanced approach. In this document, I will illustrate basic concepts for disaster preparedness, as well as give you some solid tips and steps to help you begin to prepare. There is very little in the way of gear acquisition written in the following pages. You will need to acquire some measure of food, water, and equipment if you are to become more disaster resilient. However, there are multitudes of resources on and offline to help you do just that. What this book is designed to do is to guide you through the first steps of personal preparedness, i.e., getting your mind right. I find that without a solid set of guideposts, it is easy to fall down the rabbit hole and concentrate only on buying stuff or gaining training, both of which are necessary, but neither will allow you the flexibility to adapt, improvise, or overcome.